In this video, I'll show you how to install and play GTA 5 Liberty City Preservation Project mod step by step in the game. Check my video description for these two mod link. Right click on the script to B and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin, drag and drop all these files inside the game folder and then close stuff here and go back. Open the preservation project. Open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select it edit mode and select the yes option and then drop this port 1 inside. Select install and select mods folder and select confirm installation. Once installed done, close stuff here and do the same steps. Edit mode and select yes and then drop 2. Do the same thing for other 3. Go back to OpenIV and select ASI Manager. Make sure all 3 are installed. And then close stuff here and select Edit Mode and select Yes option. Go back and open this game config. Open mods folder, update, update.rpf, common data. And now then drop this game config inside. Once you're done, stuff here and go back. Open heap adjuster. Right click on the game and select open file location and drop these 2 files inside. Go back, open pack file limit adjuster and drop these 2 files inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press escape key and navigate to this airport. Get friend of this using menu, teleport option, waypoint. Once you in front of the airport, go down using the stairs. Here you can able to see yellow mark. Press E to fly to Liberty City. Press E. And now we are in Liberty City. As you can see, to go back to Los Santos, same way, press E to fly to Los Santos. You can able to see. I show you guys an important location in this Liberty City. Navigate to this point. Using teleport, we can go so fast. And this is the one we are looking for. And that's how you can install this, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.